Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So based on popular demand from my WhatsApp, due to this meal I posted on my status, I'll be sharing a very simple recipe on how to make mayonnaise with ingredients in your kitchen. It is very easy. Keep watching to see how I make it. So for a thick, creamy and healthy mayonnaise, you need the following ingredients you can find in your kitchen. You need eggs, you need lime, lemon or vinegar, then you need sugar and salt. I used about 1/3 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Then the herbs are optional. I use scotch bonnet, garlic, green pepper and spring onions. You can add parsley, you can add basil, you can add rosemary and thyme. It's up to you. Then for the tools, you need a blender and then a jar to store your mayonnaise. I added all the ingredients into the blender, including my freshly squeezed lime juice. Then I blended everything into a very smooth paste, like really smooth. So once I notice it's smooth, I'll start adding oil gradually while it blends. I'll be adding the oil through the cap of my blender and it will keep draining. I used about 2 cups of oil, that's about 500 ml. So once it has started forming this very thick paste, then my mayonnaise is ready. We are aiming for this look, like thick like this, but not too thick. You don't want it to be too thick because as it cools it will also be getting thicker. So I'll add that into a jar, a clean jar, and then store in the refrigerator, not freezer please. As it cools it gets thicker. If you store it in the freezer, the oil and everything will separate. So as it's cooling it will get thicker. So I enjoyed my mayonnaise with some coleslaw, fried rice, chicken and plantain. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye.